150 feet up in the air on this lift to do this promo, but yeah, the wind says no, do not do that. Welcome. This is the kickoff of the 2024 Gatton Christmas Challenge. So while I'm up here hanging up Christmas lights, you should be working on your Gatton Christmas Challenge. What is the Gatton Christmas Challenge, you ask? The Gatton Christmas Challenge is where you make a Christmas themed the Gatton Christmas Challenge is where you make a the Gatton Christmas Challenge is where you make a Christmas themed the Gatton Christmas Challenge is where you make a Christmas themed project with your robot. Whether it's a CNC, a laser, 3D printer, water jet, hell, if you can get a Roomba to do something cool, you can use it. If it's a robot and you can program it, make it happen. The dogs gave me their ball to throw for them. All right, puppies, ready? Ready? Here you go. The weather outside is a little bit frightful, so to avoid any more wind and stuff, we'll do the rest of it in here. So there are two divisions of the Gatton Christmas Challenge this year. The first is our normal, you make a big project and do something cool. And if you don't have time for that, I really want you to participate. So everybody's going to have time to at least make an ornament. So make an ornament. Now, you're not just making a project or an ornament. You do need to make a video to go along with it. Short video, 5 to 10 minutes is all you need to do. And it doesn't need to be edited by Scorsese or something either. So just, you've seen my videos. They are what they are. Anyway, the point to it is, don't let editing a video stop you from participating. Participate. Now, once you've finished your video and posted it to YouTube, you're going to send me an email. And that email is going to have 2024 Gatton Christmas Challenge as the subject line. And inside that email, you're going to give me a link to the video, any pictures that you have, because that would be really helpful when we show it on the Making It Up As We Go show later on. And any other information that you think I should know that you didn't put into the video. Now you need to get me all of that information from now, which is 12 o'clock Black Friday morning and 11:59 and 59 seconds on Christmas Eve. Can't stress that enough. Don't be late. Because if I get the email at 12:01 Eastern Standard Time, make sure we're East Coast over here. If it's at 12:01, it doesn't count. You've worked hard on this stuff, so I want it to count. So make sure you follow the rules. So speaking of rules, you want the whole list of the rules, go to the website link here that I'm showing on the screen now, and it'll give you all of the stuff that I really just said. Yeah. Then, on the first Saturday of January, on the Making It Up As We Go Saturday night live stream, we're going to go over all of the videos that were submitted and projects, and then we're going to pick some prizes. Yeah, we got some really cool sponsors for this year's challenge, so let me tell you a little bit about them, because without them, you wouldn't have any prizes. Yes, the 2024 Gatton Christmas Challenge could not happen without the sponsors. The sponsors for this year, all of their links are in the description below, so please support those that support us. They include Pixel CNC, Nemo Labs, Wham Bam, Rapid Change ATC, and Cadence Manufacturing and Design. Great folks, every one of them, and we really appreciate their participation with us this year. And with that, have fun. Enjoy the challenge, and we'll see you soon. Thanks ahead of time for participating. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals.